Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in an Audi Q5 key fob. First, ensure you have a new CR2032 battery ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver to gently open the key fob casing. This guide will walk you through each step, making the battery replacement process straightforward and quick. Let's get started and get your key fob working like new. To begin, slide out the emergency key from the key fob. This reveals a small slot where you can insert your flathead screwdriver. Carefully twist the screwdriver to gently pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Once separated, you'll see the internal components and the old battery. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Then, carefully use your screwdriver to pop out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive, plus, side faces the same direction as the old one. This is crucial for proper function and will ensure your key fob works correctly. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and gently press them together until they snap securely. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot. Finally, test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. You should now be able to lock and unlock your Audi Q5 with ease.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.